Understanding Rollover, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss: the word rollover. You might have heard this term in different contexts, and today we're going to explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and demystify rollover together. Rollover is a versatile word that can be used as both a noun and a verb, and its meaning can vary depending on the context. As a noun, when used as a noun, rollover generally refers to the transferring of funds from one account to another, or from one investment to another. For example, if someone says, "I did a rollover of my retirement funds," it means they transferred their retirement funds from one account to another. As a verb, rollover can mean to turn over or rotate something. For instance, if you roll over in bed, you turn your body to the other side. In a technological context, a rollover might refer to a button on a website that changes appearance when you move your mouse over it. Let's go through some examples to see how rollover is used in different sentences. 1. 401k rollover. After leaving my job, I decided to do a rollover of my 401k into an IRA. 2. Rollover in bed. I was so comfortable in bed last night, I didn't even roll over. 3. Website rollover. Our web designer added a rollover effect to the buttons on our homepage. Sometimes, rollover can be confused with similar terms or phrases. Here, we'll clear up some of that confusion. Rollover versus rollover. Rollover, as one word, is usually the noun form, while rollover, as two words, can be the verb form. For example, noun, the rollover process might take a few days. Verb, can you roll over the carpet? Rollover in finance. In finance, a rollover can also refer to the extension of a loan or other financial agreement. It's important to understand the context to know what exactly is being referred to. Thank you so much for joining us today to learn about rollover. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this versatile word. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice and exposure, so try using rollover in your own sentences and see how it goes. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.